Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to set lock screen wallpaper in Samsung M33 5G. So let us start our video. Firstly click on the setting icon. After that you will see many options. Swipe up and click on the wallpaper. After that, firstly choose the screen on which you want to set wallpaper. I want to set wallpaper on the lock screen, so click on lock screen. After that choose the wallpaper. I want to set that wallpaper on the lock screen, so click on that. After that set as wallpaper, and here you will see the result. Our lock screen wallpaper is set in this way. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.